Hey, this is CopperCarver, and today we are doing the unboxing of the ICEFOX UHD 4K action camera. So this is the first time that I've done an unboxing of a action camera. Whenever this company reached out to me, I'll admit I haven't heard of ICEFOX before, but looking at their product, most of the reviews were pretty good. It is waterproof. It can go up to 30 meters in the water. Dual screen, so there's a screen on the front and the back. It does have a built-in stabilizer, Wi-Fi, just a couple different factors. And from what I understand, it's also cheaper than a GoPro. So we will look at the quality of some video. I'll show some shots of me talking to it here after a while. And then maybe I'll run around my yard with it to see how the stabilizer is, because I'll admit I don't have a dirt bike, I don't have scuba gear with me right now, I don't have any of that crazy action stuff with me, but maybe I can just do some typical moving around just to kind of see how the stabilizer is. But yeah, let's dig in. Maybe? Yeah? Okay, cool. Got it? Oh goodness, okay. Here comes everything. So we have a user manual right here. We have the camera itself right here, but let me go ahead and open this up real quick. I do like the packaging. Very colorful box. I know I always mention how I like colorful boxes. So I'm gonna put this over here. We got a activate warranty for a 1-year free extension. And what's in here? Okay, let's look at the camera itself. All right, looks like an extra battery or the only battery. First thing I'm noticing right away, guys, is this huge camera on the front. Look at this. Once I kind of get everything taken care of, I'll give y'all a closer look. And it is already in a protective case. I've never really bought a new little camera like this, so I don't know if that's normal, but it already has a protective case with it. So yeah, camera right here with a huge lens in the front. I've never seen that. Looks like 2 batteries. And then let's open up this real quick before we take a closer look at everything. Oh, okay, I dropped something. Oh my goodness, guys, this comes with a lot. Let me pick this up. So I'm guessing these are all accessories that come with it, which would be great if that's the case. Another case holder deal. Let me just open up all this. This looks like straps to carry it possibly. Okay, little Velcro straps. So I'm gonna lay this out. Looks like an actual strap with a little bracket on it. See, I'm not familiar with these cameras too much. I know how to mount things, but this looks like a little mounting bracket of some sort right here. We have, okay, this is one of the things to just set the camera in different spots. Looks like another case for the camera. Guys, this comes with a lot of stuff. I'm not used to things coming with this much stuff. Is this a little charging deal? Ugh. So it looks like, okay, a little battery charger that it comes with right there. So more brackets and things for the camera itself. There's probably just a lot of that here, a lot of different things. Like I said, I'll open this up. Oh, a little clip, that's nice. Here's the USB-C cord, so it charges by USB-C. So that's nice. We're almost there, guys, and then I'll show you a closer look at everything. Okay, another bracket. The batteries. All right, I'm gonna lay this all out so y'all can see everything it came with. Real quick, it looks like there's an actual remote for record and pictures. So that's actually super cool. Okay, my friends, for the camera itself, it's very lightweight. I'm assuming with this that they prefer you to always have it in this case, because where the SD slot goes in, it doesn't really look like there's protective covering. So I almost feel like they almost always want you to have it in this. I see this used a lot for scuba diving specifically. Seems like they have a focus on that, but I'm guessing it can be used for everything. Let's go ahead and put the battery in here and take a look and see what it looks like whenever it's actually running. This is the menu right here. I'm actually recording it from my camera. So right here under settings, we have video resolution, video quality, pre-record, EIS, AWB, filter. So I'm just gonna swipe through here and let y'all kind of look at everything that's on here. Like I said, I am learning this with y'all. Okay, then settings, image rotation, screen brightness, anti-flicker, all these different settings that are very useful. Automatic shutdown, tone settings, microphone. I didn't see an auxiliary port in this to connect a mic, so I'll have to look at that. Car mode, language, time format, different things like that. Device info. Now the mode button, if I were to press that on the side. So we have normal video, slow video, loop, time lapse, different settings here, burst photo, Wi-Fi. I'm still trying to connect to the app right now, but yeah, we'll kind of tinker around with some more. Okay, so I am now using the camera. Apparently there are two qualities. There's 4K 30 and 2.7K 60. I'm currently using the 4K 30 frames a second. I'm still kind of tinkering with everything. The menu functionality seems really good. Seems like there are a lot of different options. I still need to figure out how to get the front facing camera on. There is an M button on the side that I haven't pressed, which will probably allow me to see it. But yeah, this is the audio from the camera. I'm going to move things around a little bit. I don't know if they're super stable. I'll do some more action-y things a little bit later. But this is the 4K 30, and I'm about to switch to the 2.7K 60. Okay, so I'm now taking this outside. I'll try and use. Hey Max, he's my good boy Maximus. Say hi. What is it? You want to play? We're gonna try running around with this. See what the stabilization is like. I know this is a goofy way. Come on, boy. Come on. Come on. Come on, my boy. Oh, he's a little bit older. All right, so that is the 4K 30 mode. Let's try the 60 frame mode. Okay, we are trying the 2.7K at 60. Come on, Max. Stop. Come on. You're a good boy. Come on. You're a good boy. Yeah. He's gonna be 11 next week. Say hi. I love you. So, just a little bit of a test, but let's see what all this looks like real quick. Okay, so I'm actually gonna watch the video quality on my computer right now with y'all. Now, I'll admit my computer doesn't do 4K on here, so I'll get a better picture of the 4K quality, but I can still get a decent, idea of what it looks like. So I'm gonna click on this and watch a little bit of it, see what I think. This must be the 60 frame one that I'm watching, being an idiot. I mean, it's moving well. The wide angle is there. That's not bad looking. Let's do my talking ones. See what the audio sounds like. It's not awful. I mean, of course, it's not as clear as the camera I'm using right now, but honestly, just for like taking out and using for adventures and things like that, it's not too bad. I'm a bit, you know, I always like super high quality images. I probably eventually need to get a better camera myself, but that's not too bad. I'll have to see what the audio sounds like with some headphones on. Let's check out running outside and see how the stabilization is. I love seeing my dog. He's a good boy. So it's not terrible. The outside quality looks good. The lighting's good. It looks good. It's gonna be up to y'all to determine if the quality is up to your par or not. I mean, it looks good. Seems fine. I would easily take this like scuba diving with myself or something like that. Oh, there you go, good boy. Well, my friends, this is a pretty good quality little action camera. You know, just naturally you want to call these GoPros. GoPro's the brand. But this ICEFOX camera, I'd honestly say it's a great alternative to a GoPro. Ultimately, it's up to you. This is only 80 bucks. So that's not pretty bad. And there are coupons and things to make it on sale. It actually is cheaper than the 80 bucks right now on Amazon. It lasts 5 hours. So that's pretty good. And it comes with 2 cameras. I mean, not 2 cameras, but it comes with 2 batteries. So essentially you get 10 hours. Audio is okay, but I envision myself using this more to do voiceovers and music and things like that. It charges USB-C, 130 feet underwater, multiple modes, the camera in front so you can see, and everything it comes with. It comes with so much stuff. But guys, this seems like a pretty good camera that I'll try to find different ways to use for my videos. But yeah, this has been CopperCarver, and this is the ICEFOX 4K little action camera, i8 specifically. I'll leave a link in the description, but please like, share, comment. I try to respond to every single comment. So thank y'all for coming by.